All right, I don't know who's ready with their crystal ball. You can decide who wants to go first. I mean, when you start to look down the road, so whether it's a wish list, something you wish was around, or something you think is coming your direction, when you look down the road, what do you see innovations, whether that is technology, business model, marketing, labor, any things we've talked about, what are you looking forward to down the road?
I'm looking forward to additional automation. I mean, we have what we are wishing for, but hopefully here in the next few years, we'll get to that point where we have added additional customers, so we'll have to add additional automation to our facility. It's like 10 years ago. No, everyone was cutting their grass. Today, how many people have grass cutters? So it's getting to that point with laundry. Nobody has time. People are time poor. They want to spend time with their kids, their family, or they're just simply working too much and they don't have time.
Yeah, I mean, there's just going to be a lot more laundry to do. So Kathy, what's on your wish list or looking down the road? What are some of the things that come to your mind in terms of innovation in models or technology or marketing or other things that you're doing?
Yeah, we are looking into getting a folding machine as well, especially as we continue to grow our commercial accounts and get some more of that repetitive laundry coming in. So that's one thing we're looking at. We currently own the building we're in, but there is land around it. So we have thought about building extra storage. We are, as we expand, we could use a little more room. So that's some of the things. We've also looked at subscription service. Right now we're just per pound. So we've thought about going to more of a subscription based, and we're thinking that through.
Okay, good. Ross, you're always thinking a few steps ahead.
I think just continuing to streamline interactions with the customer so it can be more instant. I mean, like it or not, Amazon has trained us that why can't we have it in an hour? So we're just kind of continuing to try to add more options for chatting and versus long calls and stuff like that. So I think AI, robots, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, just a little plug for the Clean Show next year. I think you saw it on the slide, August 23rd to the 26th. I think you're going to see an unprecedented amount of options when it comes to automation and other things to help streamline the processing of laundry. This 3-year break between shows, I think, is going to really surprise some people with what is going to be on the market for us to take a look at. And again, we're going to get a peek at some of that over the course of this conference in terms of the tabletops and some of the presentations that are yet to come.